How to enable call announcement on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how you can read aloud your name of your caller on your Android phone whenever you get a call, this is how you exactly do it. Open up settings, then from there, you want to scroll down and find something similar to your accessibility tab and then tap on it. Once on your accessibility tab, you need to find interaction and dexterity if you're on Samsung device. If not, you can just find something related to the settings. And you can find under interactions, answering and ending calls. Tap on it. Then you can get the option for gesture to answer call, whether you want to swipe or tap. Then you can answer using speaker. So you can use a speaker by default when there's no headset or Bluetooth device connected. And right below that, you have read caller names aloud. Tap on this to toggle it on. And then from there, you can further customize it, whether you want it all the time or only over Bluetooth and headphones only. If you want it always, select always. And if you want the system to read the caller names twice, tap on this toggle as well. You should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.